Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. So guys, when you want to open your cellular data in your iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings and guys, you need to turn on your Wi-Fi. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. So guys, simply you need to scroll it down, click on general, click on software update. And guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version 17.1.1. So guys, if you are using iOS 14, 15, 16, then I'll recommend you need to update your iPhone to iOS 17. And guys, after updating your iPhone, then guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings. And guys, by doing reset network settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing these methods, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to contact with Apple Support. So guys, how can you contact with Apple Support? Simply you need to open any internet browser. And guys, here you need to search Apple Support. So guys, after searching it, you need to find this type of interface. You need to click on support.apple.com. And guys, after this, here you need to select your gadget. I am using iPhone. And guys, you need to scroll it down. And guys, at the below of corner, you will find the option of get support. So guys, simply you need to click on start now. And guys, you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you need to click on more button. And guys, here you need to find cellular services. You need to click on this tab. And guys, after this, you need to click on continue. Scroll it down. Here is the option of call us. So guys, you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.